here and giving your thoughts. And it was a very interesting session. And it is not like going through slide by slide. It was very engaging and it is also fun. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.
We just found out like we need to integrate everything, collaborate and work together. So the session was quite interesting and it was practical, the workshops, the role plays and all, it was very interesting. Thank you.
Thank you.
These kinds of trainings and collaborations, they always serve as a refresher. I think this is a really helpful session. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Very good, insightful session. It's a kind of eye-opener for some of the key points. Can take some ideas from this session.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
So it is very encouraged to us. It is very good presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Shared purpose we have.
This session pinpointed that how to set the benchmark and what are the activities and different steps to follow so that everything becomes rational and tangible. Thank you.
Thank you.
Today's session was very interesting and I came to know many things.
Mahabharata, what you are saying, team has to decide either they can become Krishna or they can become Draupadi or whatever the characters. They can sit there and own and they can react. That was the outcome I could feel. Yes, thanks for your support and as well as your training session is very well and keep it up.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well placed with a lot of interactive sessions. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
The session is very good. What's meant by the high performance culture, so on, then Toyota way of working. So those topics are very good. And role play gives a real time strategy, a real time activity what goes into the shop floor. So that is also good. And the final topic, what's the impact we are going to create for the next year. So that's the takeaway we have to take from this session.
Thank you.